Hey everyone, I'm Steven21967 and we are taking a look at some mods for Valheim. I think we're going to take a look at unrestricted portals. I've never used this before. This is the first time I'm going to download it, but I'll take you through the process with me. If we scroll down the page here, you should see some information about what exactly this is. All it is, it just gives us portals. Mod allow portals to take any kind of item through the portal, so ores or dragon A's. And it says how do you install it. It says Beppin X Pack. So let's just open that up. So I tried to install with Mod Manager, but that didn't work out. So I am going to go down here, and it says Thunderstorm Mod Manager. So we'll try this out. We have Thunderstorm Mod Manager that we can download. And just let that go. Now I have Thunderstorm Mod Manager on my desktop. Double click that to start the installation. I have this icon over in the left side here. It shows that it was installing here. I have to figure out what is the next thing that we need to do to get this started. On my desktop here I have Thunderstorm Mod Manager now. So we're going to load this up. Take a look at what we have. We have, let's see, we're going to set, I can set it as default, but we can click on this. And we should be able to see what mods are capable of being downloaded. I'm going to click on Select Profile. Alright. And then we need to take a look at what we can get in terms of mods. I click on Online, and here we see pinned Beppin X-Pack Valheim by Netixson. So we're going to click on that, and then we'll download it. And now we're downloading Beppin X-Pack, and we'll just wait for that to finish. Now when we check back on our mobs, we see that it is installed, and I think we should be able to install the Unrestricted Portals mod. Using the Thunderstorm Mod Manager, I searched in the online for portals. Here it's called non-restricted portals, but this is by the same developer. So let's download this. I went back to install to see if these things are indeed installed. It looks like non-restricted portals and Beppin X-Pack, which is the dependency we need, are now installed. So I'm going to launch the game and see if everything worked out fine. And now that we have both Beppin X-Pack and non-restricted portals downloaded, we will start the mod. This is how we will be able to start the game and be able to actually see play the game with mods. If you don't use this to start the game and you start the game regularly, you will not have access to the mods. So you will need Thunderstorm Mod Manager to launch your game for you in order to have access to the mods while you are playing. So I'll just move these windows down. I'm not going to close any of those windows. I'm going to leave them open. I'll start a game. Start my last game. And we'll wait for this to load. Loading takes a little bit of time, but just be patient and your screen will come up. And here we are. I'm going to start off by grabbing one of my bars, black metal. And there we go. We are now going through the portal. I don't hear any portal sound, so I don't know if that's something that the mod kind of reduced or removed from the game. But here I am. I'm in another one of my portal bases. And that's forest base. So we can just go forest base. You see it didn't light up or anything. So this is just something for you to know that everything's working fine, even though it doesn't light up when you come close to it. Just go to it and you will be moved into your other area. And there we go. I basically have gone to almost all of my bases with a little bit of mineral, or should I say ore. And I grabbed a dragon egg. And we'll see if we can take that through too. And there we go. We now have unrestricted portals, and we can get dragon eggs and ore and bars through our portals. And then when we're done with the game, we will just quit regularly. And there we go. And then I just close this message. And the next time I want to start, I will just click on Start Modded, and it will take me right back into the game with these mods installed. And again, if you want to play with these mods, if you decide you don't want to play with the mods, just start your game regularly and no mods at all will be installed. So I did take a look through the bug list. I don't see any issues right now. I do see some posts of people who are having problem with unrestricted not working. Of course, this is unrestricted, and the one that we're using is non-restricted version 1.2.1. We go down here. Basically, I believe we are using this version of unrestricted portals, which is also called non-restricted portals. And of course, anytime you download anything, there's a risk that there may be a virus, it may be a corrupted file. So use discretion when you download these mods. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you guys like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you get alerts when I come out with new videos. And as always, comment. Have you used this one before? Have you had problems? Did this help you out? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, dudes.